Well, hello again and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. I'm Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today, again, I'm highlighting some of the amazing lead organizers on our team and what their specialty is. I wanted to take a tip from Brenda. Brenda's specialty is in kitchens and also storage areas and other closets that might hold things such as cleaning closets or basement areas, HVAC rooms, that sort of thing. And when I asked Brenda what was her number one tip for these areas, she had some great insight. Her idea was to ask, how often do you use this item and when was the last time you used it? That is going to dictate how things should be put away in these critical storage spaces. Anything that you use most frequently needs to be in plain sight, easy to grab, so that you can use it and put it back when you're done. Those things that aren't as critical, or maybe you don't use them as much, we're gonna go ahead and put them up high or down low, optimizing all of your vertical space. So follow these basic principles from our awesome organizer, Brenda, and tune in next week to hear more and at least one more Just the Tip. We'll see you then.